Everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. We've got another cracking Mini Cooper for you. 2-litre SD Auto, 2016 in the year, just 28,000 miles from new. Finished in Moonwalk grey, with the white wheels, roof and mirrors. This thing is very, very, very well spec'd. And it is immaculate, as you can see. It's got the LED lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch cone spoke wheels, power fold mirrors, the darkened rear glass, comfort access. It's got Media Pack XL, Chili Pack, your JCW rear spoiler, absolutely gorgeous. Pirelli tyres all round, all with great tread, as you can see there. And yeah, just a very nice thing. I'll show you inside. This one's got the cross punch leather. The boot is all nice and clean with no nasty smells, no signs of dog or anything. A leaf blown in there, look. But your mats are there as well, and you get your storage under your floor just there. So as I mentioned, it has got the cross punch leather, which is all in very nice condition. This is heated leather as well. The same in the rear. As you can see there, the rear seats don't look as though they've ever been sat in. Nice effects as well. Power folding mirrors, electric windows of course. JCW steering wheel with paddle shift and cruise control. I'm just going to start the car. You'll see there are no warnings. Eventually you will see the mileage of 28,860. As you will have seen, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. We've got head-up display. Just there, look. Excuse the state of the workshop in the background. We have been absolutely manic. Got your navigation. Just there. There you go. Oh, wrong way. That's us, Meadow Lane in Loughborough. Of course, you've got your DAB FM radio. With the media pack, you get your external device connection. So you've got Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. Bluetooth telephone, obviously. Parking sensors front and rear, which is quite a rare option. Heated seats. Dual climate control, start, stop, all your Euro 6 functions. Don't forget this one is ULEZ compliant. Got the armrest. Harman Kardon. Whether I've mentioned that or not, I don't know. It's still very early. Glove box. Your locking wheel keys there. I do believe we've got the handbook somewhere. The valet's probably left them out. And that's really it. You are going to struggle to find a cleaner one than this. Give us a call. Get involved. 01509 267 111. Finance is available. We work with a number of lenders to get you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.